I am your host. You can just call me Happy. But today, beautiful day outside as you can see, we're going to have some fun. We're going to be shooting my AR, Palmetto State Armory AR at that, and then my Glock 17. I got the fiber optic sights on there, Tac Precision, so we'll see how this works. Got all my setup today. Stay tuned and please watch the whole video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep this channel growing. Alright, let's have some fun. Alright guys, so right now we're going to do some 1R1s. 1 round, reload, 1 round. But we're going to do it a little differently. 1 round, starting with the rifle. Reload, 1 round. Pistol, 1 round, reload, 1 round. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. And I got a shot timer too. So we're going to see if this works, if I can get used to it. My first time shooting with a shot timer, so it's going to put us under a little bit of pressure. All right. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see that, 18.17. Not sure how fast that is compared to very experienced shooters, but this is just my gauge starting off as far as me knowing how fast I'm going, right? So we'll see. We're going to do a few more rounds, see if I can beat that 18-17. I'll probably put the number on the screen so you can keep track of it. Alright guys, 13.82. Alright there, so that's a pretty good time. It is an improvement. The shot placement, not really sure if y'all can see from here, but let's take the camera here. Let's see how it looks. I'm filming on my GoPro guys, so we'll see how it looks. So I was shooting earlier just to get warmed up, and a lot of those hits in the middle where the AR were from me just warming up, just shooting it. But you can see most of them are on paper. I mean, this is pretty much technically like an aim zone, I guess, of one of those targets they you see all the YouTubers shooting. But yeah, that's pretty much A zone, so that's pretty good. We're gonna keep doing a few drills, see if I can improve that time. .98. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. I felt like my movements were a little bit cleaner. Still slow for me. I felt like I was doing it a little slow. But I gotta get some better targets so I can see where my shot placements are going. But right now I can still see that I'm making holes on paper, so that's good. So we'll do another round of this. We'll do another round. I definitely fumbled the reloads. If y'all can't see that, it's 17.37. Definitely fumbled the reloads on that one. So yeah, it definitely cost you some seconds for sure. That just goes to show you that you got to train to get better, you know. Damn, that was even worse, guys. 20.63. So, I switched the ammo to a metal case Tula ammo. Or aluminum case, however you want to say it, whatever it is. The Tula case ammo. Right here. So I was shooting just brass ammunition earlier. I switched it to Tula just to see how it would function. And the rifle is not locking back. It is locking back on the last round. Well, it's not locking back on the last round. And it is not, I had to, you know, cycle the charging handle twice to get that one in there. So we're gonna keep shooting a few more rounds with the Tula ammo, see if it works itself out or not. And that's a good thing to try on the range for y'all. That way you know if, you know, for some reason you do have steel case ammunition, it won't cycle properly sometimes on empty mag. All right, definitely a lot better. 13.79, definitely a lot better. I kind of figured that issue would happen with the magazine again. So you saw me, I yeeted that thing. I yeeted that magazine out of there. And that definitely helped save time for sure. I went from like 18 to 20 seconds to sub 14 seconds on that last one. You know, just flicking that magazine out of there. That's what you gotta do sometimes. You know, you gotta just get out of there quick. You don't got time to mess around. So we'll do it again, see if I can improve that time. .58. So that was a little improvement. I think I would have gotten a lot faster if that magazine would have went out of there the first flick. I had to flick it a few times for it to get out. But I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. Guys, so that was me kind of just setting my Glock 17 just because I have those TAG Precision fiber optics that I installed in the few videos I put up a few videos ago. I installed these sites myself at home. Y'all saw it. You can watch the videos. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of sight them in. We're probably about 5 yards away, 10 yards away, and I had really good results. I shot it already before today. Before I set it in, I just wanted to shoot it. But I'm going to show y'all guys what I did just really quick. What I did just really quick. Just from that little distance, and then the shots that I took just right now. So I shot 12 shots. And as you can see, I had one flyer on the bottom right there. The rest of them were pretty much on, you know, center mass right there in the bullseye. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But yeah, Glock 17, those TAG Precision fiber optic sights, they're working really well for me right now, okay? Really well. So, now that I got it pretty much sighted in, kind of, you know, I kind of know where it's going to shoot if I'm holding right and correct trigger pull and everything. We're going to do some drill bills.
You need help. You need professional help.
I got my shot timer here now. So we're going to do some drill bills, which is just 6 shots as fast as you can get them. All right? We'll see how I do. Here we go. That was horrible, guys. That was horrible. You really put yourself under a lot of pressure when you have a timer on you. If you can see that, that is 4.19. So we're going to do it again for sure. For sure, we're going to do it again. That was a lot better. 3.53. From what I've seen online, I think all these really hot shot shooters that are badasses, they get sub 2 seconds, I believe. So I'm kind of aiming for sub 3 at least. So we'll see if we can improve that. Damn. Almost, guys. 3.09. Damn, I almost had that. Shit. All right, we're going to do it again. I want to get sub 3 seconds. We're going to do this again. Yeah. 2.68, baby. That's what I'm talking about. 2.68. So that's pretty good. That is pretty good. I'm happy with that.
I mean, I'm happy for you, but
All right, I'm gonna go show you the results. Let's go take a look at the results. Let's take a look at the how I was shooting. So you can see right there. So this is my shot from earlier. These are my shots from earlier when I did the 12 rounds sighting the Glock in. So from what I can see, I had like 3 up here. All these out here I got, and then probably some up top. So there are definitely some alphas and charlies, as they would say when they're doing the shooting competitions as far as the target zones. These are some alphas, I'm guessing. It looks like there'd be alphas, and then charlies would be outside that. So these probably be charlies, but I do have some alphas in here for sure. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, so we're gonna do this again, guys. We're gonna run it a few more times. This is my first time doing this kind of drills, and they're actually pretty fun. So yeah, we're gonna run this again. We are empty. It didn't lock back, but we are empty. Oh yeah. Check that out, guys. 2.52. Awesome. That's good for me. Like I was saying, that's good for me. This is my first time shooting these kind of drills and under the pressure of a shot timer. So that's good for me. 2.52. And this pistol's hot. The frame, the slider here, I can feel it hot. So I've been running it pretty hard. I haven't ran it this hard in a while. But you know, it's a Glock. It's gonna work. A lot better. 4.94. That's a lot better, but I could still clean it up. I feel like I was a little sloppy still, so we're gonna clean it up. .65. All right, that's pretty good. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that, guys. So we're gonna run it again. All right. 4.13. So we got it beat. Okay, gentlemen, that is it for the range day. We are done. We did plenty of shooting. We're here almost 2 hours now. I gotta go turn in my stuff, but it was a pleasure to shoot with y'all. Y'all letting me into your social media time instead of being on TikTok and everything. But yeah, it was a lot of fun today. Thanks for watching. Comment down below how you think I did. Critique my skills, my time, all that stuff. You know, I want to get more into this kind of shooting for sure. I really enjoy it, and if y'all know of any good ranges near the San Antonio area where you can actually do stuff, you know, put up real metal targets and whatever and whatnot, comment down below and let me know. But that's pretty much it, guys. I gotta get out of here. Thank y'all so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch y'all later, guys. Happy Gunner 23 out.